Have you ever lost someone you love? I have. 17 years ago, my father developed a lung infection. Doctors tried to save him, but his body had become resistant to antibiotics, so we lost him. That loss has motivated my research on antibiotic resistance. We all need antibiotics, but the overuse of those drugs causes antibiotic resistance or ABR. Let me tell you how serious this can be. In an organism with ABR, bacteria in the body can neutralize the antibiotics, while others can actually pump the meds out of the cell or even change the attack site. Worse still, antibiotics may provide the bacteria food and energy, helping them to cause more damage. What's frightening is that the resistant trait in one bacterium can be transferred to other bacteria through the process of conjugation. This is how it works. A resistant bacterium, called a donor, codes this trait in a special gene in its DNA. It can transfer the gene to a recipient bacterium via a bridge or a pilus. After a successful transfer, both the donor and recipient are now resistant, so you can imagine how they can multiply in horrifying numbers. We thus need to stop this conjugation, and this is where my research helps. I can use unsaturated fatty acids or UFAs to inhibit pilus formation so that no transfer can take place. UFAs are unique because they can only be obtained naturally from one source, Tualang honey. This honey is produced by one species of bee and only on Tualang trees. I conducted experiments with two sets of bacteria. Each set contained donor bacteria with the gene and potential recipient bacteria without the gene. One set was exposed to Tualang honey, while the control was not. I ran the experiment 6 times, and every single time I found that the control group had conjugated, but in the group exposed to the honey, the pilus did not form and no transfer of genes took place. These initial results are exciting because they show that Tualang can inhibit pilus formation and reduce the transfer frequency of the damaging gene. In addition, natural Tualang honey is accessible and relatively affordable. We can extract up to 500 kilograms of pure Tualang honey per tree, as we can find several honeycombs on each tree. ABR is a threat, but a solution actually lies in our very own backyard. I'll be doing further tests, but the outlook is promising. With my research, we can fight ABR and prevent unnecessary loss of people we love. That victory to me is sweet in more ways than one. Thank you.